Hi Scorpio, welcome. Thanks so much for choosing my channel. Today I'm doing a weekly reading for the week ahead, 22nd to 28th of July. We're having a look at your energies this week with 3 tarot cards from different decks, and at the end we have an advice or clarification card, oracle card as well. So let's see, Scorpio, what the week ahead has in store for you. Wow. The Knight of Pentacles, the Four of Swords, the Hanging Man. Okay. Interesting. Let's zoom into these then. You can study them and see if you can get any vibes of them. Right. The slowest knight in the deck, the Knight of Pentacles, of Coins, is moving, not standing still, not procrastination, not stagnating at all, moving with purpose, with focus, with determination, grounded, patience, inner strength, restraint. You can see the restraint here. It's that person sitting on their goat or whatever it is, ram. So someone who knows where they're going, Scorpio, even though you're a water sign, this is earth. This is your earthy side coming out. This is the stability, the inner grounding that you need, the safety, the security. You're dependable, you're reliable. People look up at you. You're full of integrity this week. So people may come to you for advice. They may come to you for reassurance. They just may come to be with you, to experience your calm, your inner peace, your inner equilibrium, your collectedness. You feel your thoughts are collected, your ordered thoughts, ordered mind this week, Scorpio. Very, very focused. Four of Swords, healing. Very important that you take time out this week, that you take a break. Go within, make time for yourself, replenish your energies, pamper yourself, rest, recuperate, eat the right things, keep hydrated, keep exercising. Healing card. Blue sky, sunrise or sunset, but yeah, the sun. It's sun and blue sky. Even though you seem to be in a desert here, on your own, introspection, that seems to be the theme this week. Going within, finding out what the higher self has to say, to teach you, your higher awareness. See what you can glean from your expanding consciousness. Yeah, the Hanging Man. Well, the Hanging Man is is hanging voluntarily. They put themselves there because they want to see things from a different perspective. They want to experience life from a different outlook. So even though you're resting, you are still moving forward. You are not going backwards. You're not living in the past. You're living in the here and now. You're enjoying this life. We got the scarab here in front of the heart, and we have the Ujja, the all-seeing eye. So you're using your intuition and finding new solutions to the old problems, that present themselves in the 3D life, the 3D world that you obviously have to deal with, living in a physical body. So you're processing what's going on, and you're thinking about different ways of looking at that, and trying to keep an open mind. That's the most important thing. Try and keep your mind open. See what's going on. See what's coming in. Talk to people. What do they think about the situation? Even though you want to be alone mostly this week, but I feel that talking to someone who's close to you, lover, family member, friend, close work colleague, could be very beneficial, because we have certain views of things. Sometimes we have preconceived ideas and fixed opinions, and we're living with our old habits, the old constructs, the old conditioning. So you're trying to find a way of breaking through the old pattern barrier, so you don't repeat the mistakes of the past. So that seems to be your preoccupation this week, breaking the patterns of the past. Okay, your advice card or clarification card, however you see it. See yourself in nature. So you may well be going on long walks. You're connecting to nature. You're connecting to the trees, receiving that tree medicine. You got that leaf over your heart here. You're open to nature. Roses, you're open to love. But it's more about self-love here. It's about accepting yourself as you are and being happy in your own skin. So self-acceptance, self-respect, open-mindedness will get you back on your desired track. But remember, you need that break, you need the healing, you need to deal with maybe some health issues or just fatigue, which many of us have to deal with nowadays. And you're trying to stay mental based. You're not so much looking at the emotion. You have the swords here. Well, the swords represent your thoughts, communication, but it's a break from. So you're getting rid of the inner conflict, the inner stress, and you want to be more comfortable, balanced and relaxed, and that's what you're working towards. You're not in a rush, you're doing it properly, step by step, making sure that everything's organized, everything's in place for you to move forward, getting a second opinion perhaps, or looking at things from a different point of view. So this is also a card of healing. See yourself in nature. So nature will give you the most healing this week. Walks, nature swimming, gardening, that sort of thing. Being connected to the green and beautiful nature will bring you the most pleasure and will bring you the most inspiration this week, Scorpio. So Scorpio, thank you so much for dropping in to listen to your reading, and hit the like and subscribe on the way out. Much appreciated. I'll see you in the next reading. Until then, take very good care. Bye-bye.